Hi everyone, my name is Marina. If you're new here, then hi, welcome. Today's video, I am going to be using the absolutely stunning new Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette by Stacey Marie and Be Perfect. It is so gorgeous. So the palette's got 31 mattes, 4 duo shift press pigments, 3 metallics and 2 high pigment shimmers. Let me tell you, it is just so pretty. I love the packaging, I love the theme. It is absolutely amazing. So this is the look that I've created. I'll probably be doing another look tomorrow, but yeah, I really hope you enjoy it, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to give me a subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. So I'm just showing you the absolutely gorgeous palette before we get started on the face. So we are starting off using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm going to use this to carve around my eyebrows to give them a little bit of a better shape, as I have not had them attended to in many months. So ignore that. And then I'm just using a brush and I'm just blending out the concealer into the skin so there is no harsh lines. Next up, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is a great full coverage foundation, and I really wanted to have a nice flawless look, which is why I decided to choose this foundation. I have got a full coverage foundation acne coverage routine video. I'll have that linked down below. I go into a lot more depth on how I do my base, but I wanted my base just to be quite quick, but I still wanted to show you the process, as you know, I like to show the steps. Then going back to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm dotting this underneath my eyes, my forehead and my chin, and then I am just using a beauty sponge just to blend this into the skin. Next, I'm using the Revolution Bold Malibu Contour Stick. I'm not sure if they do this exact one anymore, as this is very old, but any contour stick will do. I'm just popping this around the perimeters of my face and then using a brush to blend this out. This is going to give us a more structured face. Sorry, blend that all out. And next up, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop face powder in medium olive. This is a great, nice, good coverage powder. I'm using a little bit of translucent powder underneath the nose and down the centre of the face, and then going in with the Revolution Skin Finishing Opalescent just to add a little bit of a glow, as we are very matte right now. And I'm using the NYX Contour Kit, and I'm using this shade just to add a little bit of contour to the cheekbones and the jawline. And then I'm using the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. This is a great matte bronzer, very good for lighter skin. I am quite bronzed already, which is why I went for this one, as it is a little bit more light and natural. And then I'm using the Sleek Blusher in Pomegranate. This is such a lovely blush, and I thought the colour would go well with the eye look that we're going to be doing today. For highlighter, we're using MAC Oh Darling. This is a gorgeous golden toned highlighter, one of my favourites. Then I'm just going to set everything using the L'Oreal Shake and Glow setting spray. Now is the fun bit. We are dipping into the palette, but firstly using the P. Louise base in shade 2. You only need a tiny little bit of product, but make sure that you really tap this into the skin until it turns matte, and then it's going to work best for you without creasing. So keep tapping. So firstly, I'm dipping into this beautiful raspberry shade on a Morphe brush. I'm putting this on the very outer corner of the lid and then up through the crease as well, just sticking to the kind of outer half though. I lie, I'm pulling it in. I'm pulling it in a little bit forward. Next I'm taking this gorgeous purple shade on a Spectrum fluffy brush, and this is going in the front half of my crease, and I am just packing the colour on, and it is such a pretty colour. It looks a lot darker in the pan than when you put it actually on the eyelids. Next I'm using the shade Lilac. It's a really pretty light purple, and I'm going to be using this to blend out the purple and the pink shade that we have just put on. I am just going back in and re-intensifying the pink and the purple shade, as I want this to be really, really vibrant. Sometimes when you're blending you can lose the pigmentation, so I keep going back and forth and adding until I am happy with the colour payoff. So next up I'm using this darker raspberry shade and popping this on the outer corner. This is just going to deepen things up and add a little bit of dimension. Then I'm taking a little bit of a brighter pink. I think I dipped into it by accident. I meant to take the original pink, and just blend that in as well. And I'm taking the Barry M eyeshadow topper and popping this on the lid. Unfortunately, this one ran out, so I had to switch to the more purpley blue one. I've done a whole review on these. I'll have it linked below. And this is going to act as a little base and help us just kind of cut the crease a little bit. But yeah, I'm just popping this on the eyelid and slightly above the crease. These give the most beautiful shimmer and glitter, and they're so pretty. And then I'm just going in with that darker berry shade and just blending this onto the outer corner, making sure there's no harsh lines. So we're going to take this darker purple and then the lighter purple called Starlight. I found it worked better on applied with the finger, so I'm just tapping this onto the eyelid with my ring finger. And then I'm going in with that Starlight shade and popping that on the inner corner, or the inner half of the lid, should I say. And these look so pretty. So next I'm taking the shade Blackberry. It's a nice dark shade, and I'm just deepening up the outer corner, so I wanted it a little more dramatic. And I'm just bringing that underneath my lower lash line as well. And I'm grabbing this gorgeous purple called Amethyst, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line as well. I'm taking this pinky shade and popping that on the inner corner as well. So pretty. I literally love the shimmers in here. And I'm taking the berry shade that we used at the start and just running that underneath as well. And again, just deepening up that outer corner. So I'm going to add some eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal Flash Cat eyeliner in black. This is just going to be a base for when I apply the lashes, which I'm going to do now off camera. I'm using the Kylie lip liner in Dolce K, and my hair's magically appeared wavy. I'm using this Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Toast. It's a really, really pretty nude colour, but I find it is quite nude for me, so I do have to wear a gloss with it, and this is the Cocoa Gloss. So guys, this is my finished look using the new Be Perfect 3 palette. I'm literally so impressed with this. I will be doing more looks, but obviously I stuck to like the purples today. They blend so amazing, like they are so soft, seamless, and I have really enjoyed using this, and I cannot wait to create some other looks as well. Like, I seem to always gravitate towards this sort of purpley look, don't I? But honestly, this palette's amazing. The packaging is stunning, and it's really affordable. It's like £36, I think. It feels really lightweight. I would definitely travel with this. There's a nice big mirror there. Whole range of colours. Like, it is just such a beautiful palette. I literally cannot wait to use this again. I might even do another look tomorrow, because it's just absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. I have just curled my hair with this new 3-barrel curler I got off Amazon, so I've got a first impressions of that coming. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash me a thumbs up, check out my Instagrams, and I shall see you guys next time. But thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.